Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome again. You know, I really love this drone. This is the DJI Air 3S. But if one thing drives me crazy is this gimbal cover. This thing is so much a pain. It is just difficult to take off. It's difficult to put it back on. It's always been a nuisance. Now, our friends sent me something to take a look at, guys. This is a new gimbal cover. So we're gonna take this over to the desk. We're gonna check it out, see if it's any better than the gimbal cover that I got from DJI. Hopefully guys, this will make this drone 100% in my book. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my desk. Now, for those who don't have the Air 3 or the Air 3S, they probably don't understand what I'm talking about. So let me show you guys what I'm referring to. The way this gimbal cover here connects, it kind of locks in right here at the front of the drone body, and you have to press down on this and finally get those little clips to come loose. And you're always afraid that somehow you're going to damage the gimbal by doing that. That to me is just a weak point, I think, in the design, you know, for this type of gimbal cover. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a look at the new gimbal cover that we just got in. So to compare the two gimbal covers, you guys can see there's a significant difference. This one is more rounded in the front, where this one here is a little bit squared in the front. This one has a more round effect here as well. So there are some significant differences that you can notice right off the bat. But the most important difference that you're going to notice is the length of the base of it and this little clip right here. So what that allows you to do, guys, check this out. You can just press this on, line up your gimbal, and now this is going to clip onto the body of the drone just like that. Look at how more efficient that is. So when you're ready to take this gimbal cover off, you can just reach under here, pop this guy up, pull it forward, off it comes. If you want to put it back on, it's basically the same thing. Really easy to take this on and off of the drone. I really like that. So if you too, like me, have been struggling with this little gimbal cover, guys, maybe this is something you definitely want to take a look at. And you're not missing out on anything. You know, the original gimbal cover has the little rubberized area right here to protect the gimbal arms. Let me show you guys here on this one when we pop this guy off. Take that off. It also has those same rubberized areas right there to protect your gimbal. So if anything, this is just improving upon what you already have. But I noticed something else here. This has a little pad right here at the top where the original does not. So yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Easy. So much easier, guys, to put this on. Lock that in place. Drop that guy in your bag or your case or whatever it is that you have. It's a win. So definitely take a look at it, show you guys the box again. So make sure you're getting the authentic product. That is this right here. This is the gimbal protector for the Air 3S. Yep, that's a win. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, keep your eyes on the sky, and I will see you all soon. Peace. I'm out.